to be making chocolate frosting for today. And the first one, I already melted the butter, but we need 10 little tiny of these wee spoons in the bucket. I already got 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7.
And who is this?
8. This is my assistant to watch me.
His name's To Watch Me?
Yeah. To watch me kind of tell.
My name is Jacob and her name is Ophelia.
What you got on your fingers there, Jacob?
Actually, it's to watch me. That's not, his name's not Jacob, and my name's not Michaela. It's actually Julia Hopeeo.
Oh, how do you spell that?
Hopeeo.
All right, take us to a commercial break.
Commercial break.
Bacon powder is awesome. Look.
Open it, don't open it.
Oh my.
No.
Back from commercial break.
So now we will need this 1 wee spoon, 1/4 of it, with this related sugar. So, and we have to put it in the eggs. So, 1/4 of it in the eggs. Commercial break.
I love this balloon.
No.
I love this.
Back from commercial break.
Done. Okay, so now the second one is 4. We're gonna use real teaspoons for this, and we're gonna use 10 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Commercial break.
This because we can brush our teeth and put our hands smacking bowl. And my mom caught it, so I can.
Back
from commercial break.
Okay, so now I'm gonna have to have the big ones because if I didn't, I would have to do 40 of these. But now we need 10 of these in the powdered sugar. Now this might take a while, so my mom is gonna speed it up. And so now we are going to mix them, and since this is 6, after this we're gonna put 4 more, or 3 more. Yeah, we're gonna put 3 more. We're not gonna put, because this isn't mixing. So I think we actually put a little too much.
I think you got enough in there.
Yeah, I don't think we need to add more.
No! It's over now.
What's that you got there?
This is a commercial break. What's the next step?
So the next step on my thing, 2 1/4 spoons of heavy cream. Now we don't have any heavy cream, so we are going to be using milk. So for this, we're going to have to put this in like a bowl. 1 1/4. I mean 2 1/4 because I learned it in
Taylor, be
math.
careful, don't do too
I'm
much.
learning about fractions.
Stop. That's too much milk.
Oh my god. My assistant is really annoying if you haven't figured that out yet.
Let's hear it for the crowd. Woohoo!
Tiny baking!
Woohoo!
And it should get creamy now. And if you didn't know, we are going to be making chocolate frosting to put on our strawberries because strawberries can never be plain, not on my watch. Okay, I think I added too much. Commercial break.
I'm starting full. So
What?
I'm gonna open it up. I gotta get in. And I gotta get out. Turn the car off. Take the key.
Whoa!
Lock them in and run away.
Back. Ooh, bless you. Back from commercials break.
Julia.
Bless you. You dabbing?
That is Julia Pinchatown. Let's go.
And Tamagotchi. Which is his name again?
Tamagotchi.
To watch me?
to watch you.
The next one is, sorry, I can't see well. Chocolate syrup, but we don't have any. We don't have any chocolate syrup, so we're gonna be mixing cocoa powder and milk.
No, sugar.
Sugar. So let's get to it. Where are we gonna put it?
What am I noticing?
Commercial break.
Snack my head, like snack my. The dog is back. I'm gonna talk like that.
Back from commercial break.
Hi, it's Julia Pantine to town. Let's go. Okay, so we've got our thing. We need Hershey cocoa
And sugar.
and
Be very careful with that. Listen.
I want to eat it.
You can't.
Go ahead, try it.
No.
Tastes like that. It tastes like.
No. Oh my God. Oh, he don't like it.
How do I put it in?
What happened there?
Disgusting.
Oh no! What happened over here? Jeez. Commercial break.
Back from commercial break. Hello, it's Julia Playtime to town. Let's go! So I put my cocoa Hershey powder in, and now we've got the syrup. Don't mind the mess on my onesie. Now we're gonna put some sugar in.
Look at this, what I did.
I think that's enough. And
Landed.
then we are going to mix it.
Okay, here's the boat. Here's the booty.
Now
Maybe
will it
because they
taste
farted?
good? How will it taste good?
I don't know. Don't eat it.
I don't think this is chocolate syrup, but who cares?
You can you just have to put milk in, and that will make it.
Still tastes the same. Kids at home, do not try this or you will throw up. Tastes bad.
Put milk in it, and then it will taste good.
We have to put a tiny bit of milk. Just the tiniest bit.
Commercial.
No.
And stop. Stop.
Jacob.
Don't do that. I know.
Hi, it's Julia Playtime to town. Let's go! So, I put some milk in, and now it is kind of
Look at this.
kind of looking like something else. I shouldn't say it though. So now we're gonna have to get 1/8 of. That's 1/4. That's 1/2.
See, I did a poopy. Look, I can poop.
And this is
7.
1. So the recipe says 1.
I'm gonna get that for the commercial
chocolate
again.
And you said
It's this
What?
It's this one, not one.
okay. So now we're gonna get this. Then we are going to mix it. Oh my god! Guys, it says there's gonna be an explosion in 5 seconds. That's how Julia Patine died. I'm now Michaela.
2. 1.
Starting to look more like
Oreo.
chocolate frosting now. So, since we mixed it all, we're gonna have to do the last step.
And now for the final reveal.
It does look really good.
Taste it. See if it tastes bad or good.
I want some more. Stop with this.
Gonna ruin my video.
Eat it.
You gotta get it covered. Ah.
It looks like Nutella.
Oh my god, that is so strong.
Can you turn some
Strong
on
good
me?
or strong?
Mommy, can you? I want it. Mommy, can you just?
I'm just gonna go for it.
It's yummy. I'm scared.
It's really good.
Oh, I'm sure.
No, it is. It's just, it's very sweet.
Jacob, give me back that bowl.
Go, Jacob, go.
Might save some for Nene and Chris if they want.
Yeah. They can share this one because the
It
other
is
one's
good.
big.
It's good.
Sugar hit.
Mom.
And now, time for the credits.
Don't come in.
I made everything.